Stay with us until the end to thoroughly explore every detail of this unit. Discover the condominium amenities that make this property truly special. Numbers matter. We will dive into a specific market analysis for this project. Stay tuned. Knowledge is power when it comes to real estate decisions. If this property resonates with you, don't hesitate. Our contact details are conveniently located at the top of the screen. Engage with us. Make a micro effort. Like this video to help us reach more viewers. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest property insights. Click the bell button to receive updates about other properties in Bangkok that make sense. I'm Win-Win, your friendly guide at CondoDee Eternal Property. Let's explore together.
hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop,